What's going on, everybody of the YouTube Nation? It's your boy back at it again with another review. Man, why isn't this shit focusing? Alright. So I just woke up from a nap. I'm dead. I'm straight dead. But this shit just came in the mail, and I was like, damn, I gotta unbox this. I was so excited when I got the notification for it because I was just laying there on my phone, just doing whatever, going through YouTube, stuff like that. And yeah, here we go. Let's not hesitate to jump right into this because I sure am excited. Sorry if I'm not talking much this video. It's really, I'm really excited because I've never gotten a shoe like this personally, especially not for retail. So just a quick little background on how I got this shoe. Well, I'll show you the shoe first, even though you definitely already know what it is from the title of this video. $350. There's a little bit of box damage right there on the little tab. Size 7. Colorway. Earth. Let's bring the camera down. Hopefully I can unbox this because I've also never opened a pair of Yeezys. So what do you just... Yep, okay. Let's just pull that. Yeezy boxes are very strange to me. Alright, you ready for the reveal? Oh. Here they are. Ooh, they're cold. Really cold. Alright, let's flip that back around. Alright. So, here's the Yeezy 350 Earth. That's crazy. Male. The Boost. You know, it feels like Boost. Like, it's just been sitting outside for so long, like, it's really cold. And people have been talking about, like, they don't look like they do in the pictures. Like, they look lighter. Personally, I kind of agree, you know. I was kind of expecting a darker shoe. But, you know, it's a brown, sort of earth, as you would say, color on top. Laces match the upper. What is that like? I don't know what these uppers are made out of. Mesh. And then the bottoms are a different color than the sole, as you can see here and there. Kind of hooks around. Same with the back heel. The Boost is yellow. I'm not really sure why they did that, but personally I think it's a nice touch. I like that. And of course the Boost white. I'd say solid shoe. I'd wear it. This is probably the few Yeezys that I would wear personally, because a lot of these Yeezys look the same nowadays. They used to, you know, all look pretty gosh darn different. A new one wouldn't come out every, you know, week. You have to wait. And when it came out booming. How's business? Booming. Let's take out this other one. Here's the other one, just as cold. Chocolate bottoms. Now each shoe has like some weird dust on it. Like, I think I can see like a little hair. Let's see. Like, this shoe just came out of this box. Like, it just came out of that box. See, there's like a little hair right there, where the tip of my fingernail is, right there. It's very strange, and there's also like just dust all over it, but I'm sure that can be wiped away. Something happened with the paint right there. But, you know, I wouldn't say that this is a bad quality. Yeezys are they're iffy to me. They're just iffy. Like, I'm not sure whether I should like them or not. Because, one, I mean, personally, I think that these would go good with, like, anything. You know what I'm saying? You can match these with sweatpants, joggers, jeans, shorts, you know? But, you know, the other people, they just rock them too much, and they're just too hype about it. Yeezys are, I mean, Yeezy hype is dying, and I kind of like that. Because, you know, my thing about hype shoes is, you know, I like to wear shoes that not a lot of people know. Like, I got a pair of De La Soul SBs, and they're like, those are Ninja Turtle shoes. And I'm like, alright, but you know, like, they don't know, but I know. You know what I'm saying? These, you know, people know. People know these. Like, few years down the line, either Yeezys are going to go way up. I don't think they're going to do that. I mean, maybe. Probably not, though. But the inside is, like, kind of see-through. Like, that's my finger. You can kind of see it through the inside right there. Huh, that's... The bottom's like mesh. Like another mesh material. It's kind of like... It's pretty cool. You know, reminiscent of the Ultra Boost. I don't think I like this. I don't think I like this stripe. I thought that it was going to be like brown, like another shade of brown, but it's just a little. It's just a little, kind of like a strainer, like a metal strainer, except it's plastic, and also brown. I don't think I like that. Because, like, you know, if you were wearing, like, a white pair of socks with these, I feel like you could see the sock pretty well. Like, you can see the light shining through right there. Right there. See all that? I was thinking, like, I like this colorway. I have nothing against this colorway. I feel like it would match good with, you know, a lot of the stuff I wear because I wear a lot of dark clothes. Personally, I think this would go really good with, you know, just a little jacket, pair, but you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm really tired. But overall, solid shoe. New shoe smell. These laces are weird. You know, yeah. I don't know what the dust is on them, but, you know, hopefully that's all good. I don't think I would wear this Yeezy. I like the original Yeezys. I don't like these new Yeezys that much because, you know, they kind of look the same. Like, I remember when the Triple Whites first came out, they had so much hype. Because it was like a pure white Yeezy. Everybody wanted it. But, you know, now you can get a pair for just like $30-40 over retail. You know what I'm saying? Yeezy hype gone down a lot. But still, this colorway, it's better than some. I have to admit that. I think that these are the Latin America and North America pair. There was also a tail light. I like the tail light better than these, I think. It's it's like gray, and I think it has orange or red on it. I'm going off memory here. I don't have like a picture in front of me or anything. And there was another one. I don't really remember what that one was. But these ones would probably be second place in that world drop. But you know, I just don't like this mesh. Like this paper, you can see through the paper, you know? Like that's my finger just moving around in there. I don't like that at all. Ugh. Alright, well, thank you guys for enjoying this unboxing video of these Yeezy 350 V2 Boost Earth. And I hope to see you again when we will be unboxing fucking whatever, you know? Probably a clothing item. Probably a shoe. I'll see you guys in the next video.